Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We are just finishing up for the day, just about out here in downtown Kansas City. This is our big project that we're working to get finished up on here in the next couple days. We have removed the pre-existing cinder block walls that were down here in the cellar. We have repaired the stone foundation, brought in a lot of new stone to rebuild these walls here. Looks very, very nice. We've begun the stone foundation renovation portion of the project on the upper layer of stone, and we're going to continue that process through here and then throughout the first area down here. Should go relatively quickly. This foundation is in really good shape compared to a lot that we see, so it really shouldn't take that long. We're going to extend the renovation out to the walls, lining the staircase down into the cellar. A couple little spots on the stairs that we're going to get patched up. No big deal there. But once this mortar has all dried, we're going to paint over all of this stone with white waterproofing paint, and it's going to be a really, really nice transformation down here inside this cellar. And I will recommend, once that's done, to compare that future video with the video when we first started this project, and it's going to be a night and day difference. It's really going to look transformed down here. And down here in the first section of the basement, there's going to be a few areas here. I don't know how well it comes across in the video, but there's some areas here that we're going to get chipped out, removed, and then re-pour some high-strength concrete just to make sure that the floor throughout the cellar is uniform and flush and structurally sound. So that'll probably be the last little bit that we do to finish up this project here on Monday. And then really, other than that, we just have a little bit of framing work we're going to do on the door here. We're going to redo this little door that we have on top of the stairs, and then on the front of the house we have some minor tuck pointing we're going to be doing. Couple areas on the concrete we're going to patch, like right here, and then we have another area underneath the truck here in the driveway that we're going to get patched. So everything is coming right along. Now that the walls have been rebuilt, there really isn't going to be much delay in getting the rest of this done. So everything's going to move a lot more quickly now that that this wall is rebuilt. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. On YouTube and Facebook, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and subscribe. It's a great tool to not only educate yourselves on proper foundation repair, but if you are someone that's dealing with any kind of foundation issues, we likely have a video of a similar issue and the proper way to rectify that. So again, King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook. Leave a like and subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.